So today we're going to be learning about plate tectonics, and we're going to be learning about 4 different kinds of plate boundaries. So we're going to be using Oreos. So once we're done with this, you will be able to eat them after you have shown me that you know how to represent each of the 4 we're doing with your Oreo. So the first one we're going to do is convergent continent to continent plate boundaries. So what happens is this continental plate is moving this way, moving closer to the middle, but so is this one. So they meet, and you know what happens when they meet? They're both really thick and they don't sink, so they make mountains. So that is continent to continent, convergent plate boundaries. So the next one we're going to talk about is convergent ocean to continent plate boundaries. So basically, this is what it would look like. We'll start like this. So this continental plate is moving in, and this is the ocean. And what happens is the ocean goes down, and this goes over it. Like, my hands are in the way. Like that, basically. Hold on. I wish you could see it without my fingers in the way. But like that. And then this spot in the middle between the continental and the ocean is what we call a trench, because the ocean plate is more dense than the continent plate, so it sinks. And then the continental plate goes above it. So that is ocean to continental. Okay? So the next one we're going to do is transform boundaries. And basically, that is when the plates do like this. So one goes this way, and one goes this way. And they look like this. And that forms an earthquake. That's what happens a lot of the time in California. Okay, so the next one we're going to talk about is divergent plate boundaries, which I don't know if you've ever seen the movie Divergent, but that's basically the same thing that our continental plates do. So they move apart like that, slowly but surely. And then you have all of this, which is lava. And the more they move, sometimes lava spews out, and sometimes earthquakes happen. But that is about it for our little Oreo lesson. So now you can eat your Oreos or your continental plates.